We are in Laguna Beach and today we're checking out the Museum of Make-Believe.
This place combines the power of imagination and storytelling with visual arts.
This is the scavenger hunt that we're going to be attempting, and in the end you get a prize. So it says, begin your quest at the cottage of Robin's Nest. Follow the snowy dog to find your next clue.
This is the snowy dog.
Each location also has a bonus question, so here it says, what's the name of the dog's sled?
Travel to the desert, look for dandelions that grow there, under.
Look at all the ice cream flavors there. It looks pretty yummy.
Follow the path to the place where time stands still and the hourglass empties no more.
This shop is called the Hourglass.
What is the second letter of the young boy's name? Take 5 paces to the very heart of magic at the tree of make-believe. There you will find a princely cat. Go past the tree, then head toward the sea to Bird Rock Landing, where the waves crash upon an old wooden dock.
We're now in Bird Rock Landing, and here we have to count the number of lights on the wall and multiply it by 2 and take the first letters.
What is in the basket of Yara's kitchen counter? When you come in, they give you this coin, and then when you get to the back of the store, you can insert it, and then an egg will drop.
Things will pop out if you do.
Oh, so it's like fortune tellers and fortune cookies. It comes with 2. Oh, it's a story.
I just won.
The golden acorn. A rock.
You can step off the platform. Nevertheless,
This is a really cool ticket. It seems like you can watch some sort of video on their website if you scan this QR code.
For this one, you have to listen to the storybook on the radio, and we have to figure out what the first letter of the young boy's name is.
So from each location, we found one letter and we put them together to make a word. And you can find out for yourself what the word is by coming here to Laguna Beach to the Museum of Make-Believe. But we're gonna go claim our prize right now. And that is the Museum of Make-Believe in Laguna Beach.
I really like how this place is very fun for kids, especially my age, because they have different scavenger hunts that you can do. And also, this place is well decorated, and it really feels like you're in a storybook.
Whenever we come to Laguna Beach, we always look for art, and I think that this museum is another great addition for your Laguna Beach trip if you come, because you're transported into a little magical world as soon as you step in and go on the scavenger hunt, and the ambiance is really cool. All the sets are handmade, and a lot of them are done by the owners of the museum, so this is very unique to Laguna Beach.
See you in the next video. Bye!